Hey, bud. What's happening? Are you getting a haircut? Can't move too much. Oh, look at all that hair going bye-byes. Can you say bye-bye, hair? Is that your new toothbrush? Hey, Jackson. Say bye-bye, hair. Bye-bye, hair. Bye-bye. Isn't that your toothbrush? Sticks? Okay, say bye-bye, Mommy. Good job. What's Daddy doing? Now this video is going to have my annoying voice, so I'm just going to be quiet. I should try and cut towards you, just in case he turns his head.